Good afternoon, Rushikesh. Thank you for joining in today's interview. How are you doing today?
Thank you, sir. First of all, thank you for inviting me for this interview. I'm doing good, sir, and feeling confident. What about you, sir? How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. So, Rushikesh, before we proceed with the interview session, can you give a brief introduction about yourself?
Yes, sir. Sir, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself, sir. My name is Rushikesh Kulkarni, and I did my graduation in BTech from Arras Technological and Research Institute. And also, I have got 8 months of experience in web development. And coming to my hobbies, I love to play cricket and also learning new technology and searching on Quora or YouTube. If I hear something new about our means like AI, ML, or something like our technologies, I love to search about that and gain knowledge about that. And also watching movies and web series. These also means I means for refreshing my mind. I love to watch movies also, and also I am a foodie. I love to taste the food wherever I go. So this is about me, sir. Thank you.
Right, as you mentioned that you are a lover of Netflix and other movies. What is the
Yes,
recent web series that you have watched?
yes, sir. I watched a recent web series that Family Man 2, the Family Man 2, that I have watched recently.
And has it inspired you in any way? Are you also going to quit IT industry and join the police workforce?
No, sir, no. Means in that I saw the Manoj Bajpayee who is doing that character. He have an interest in means the cop field or the like detective field. So he didn't like that job. But I have interest in web means in computers because if I don't sit towards my laptop one day means something I feel I am missing something. So this is
So you want to become a minimum guy.
yes, sir. I want to become a minimum guy, but in not like in that way.
Okay, right. So, if given an opportunity and if you have to, suppose you are blessed with to start this life once again, you get to relive this same life, then what are the things that you would like to change?
Yes, sir. Means we means I learned a lot from when I passed after 2022, and means I thought that if I studied more, uh, I think I am more knowledgeable today. So means what I did is my intermediate I didn't focused on my studies, so I regret that. So this one thing I will change if I live my life once again. Relive my life.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
that's nice. So, in case next, if you are reborn and
Yes.
you are reborn as an animal, so which animal will you choose, and what will be the reason behind choosing that animal?
Mm, I think I love dogs, and I will be a dog. And the I saw they are means yes they are something like they have means quality of means they for their owner they don't that what that call means
Loyal.
loyal to their owners. So that quality I like means if I have a dog, I like dogs, so I want to be a dog
So dogs are loyal to their owners.
owners.
So
Yes,
are you not loyal in this life? That
yes,
you want to be loyal in your next life
yes. I
by
am
becoming
loyal.
a dog?
No, no, no. Means if I am an animal, if I get a chance to be a, also I will be a lion also because like the courage.
And okay,
Yes,
okay, no problem.
yes, sir.
So, do you think are you living the life of your dreams?
Yes, no, sir. Means
What
my
should I take?
dreams.
Yes or no?
No, no, sir. Means
Okay.
50-50, sir. Because yes, I am happy and living with my family, and but there are certain needs we means certain dreams that I want to fulfill.
Hmm.
So for that, I want to work hard. I know. So, yes, sir.
Right. What is your greatest achievement till date?
Um, my greatest achievement is means I'm not recalling it now. So means
So, your greatest achievement you have
no, no,
forgotten.
means
Right.
for this point means I didn't thought like that my like uh, greatest achievement. So
Okay.
yeah,
Not a problem.
yes, sir.
So, do you have a pen and paper in front of you?
Yes, sir, I have.
Okay.
I'll take it.
So, there is a riddle that I'll give you at the moment. So, if you can solve it, you can solve it by using a pen and paper. Otherwise, you can solve it in your mind as well. So, the riddle is there is a room with no doors and no windows. A man is found hung from the ceiling. So, that man committed suicide by hanging from the ceiling. A puddle of water is on the floor. How did he die?
So can you
Yes, I'll repeat my
yeah,
question.
repeat? Yes, sir.
There is a room with no doors and no windows. A man has committed suicide and he is found hung from the ceiling. A puddle of water is on the floor. How did he die?
There is no window and a door.
No, nothing is there. The man
Yes,
committed suicide by hanging. And when the police came and tried to investigate, they found that only the dead body and a puddle of water on the floor. So, how did the man commit suicide and how did he die?
puddle of water is there. Let me think, sir.
Yeah, sure. Take 1 minute. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Someone killed him. But how the police came inside? There is no door or no window. And how
Yes.
can he go inside? There is no window and no door.
Anyways, not a problem. So let's move on to the next question. Suppose a red house is made up of red bricks. Blue house is made up of blue bricks. What is greenhouse made up of?
Red house is made up of red bricks.
Yes.
Blue house is made up of blue bricks.
Hmm.
And greenhouse. Greenhouse is there, no, sir, already.
Sorry.
Greenhouse is there, no, already.
Means you
White,
need to explain, right?
yes. White house is there.
I'm asking about greenhouse.
No, sir, don't know. Green bricks.
Not a problem.
ये तो नहीं होगा.
Right. Suppose you are working in a project. Okay. I
Yes,
guess you have worked on various projects. Can you please describe the project that you have worked on?
yes, sir. Means I have worked on a project. Means it is a movie web application. Means like you can download or search about the movie's information, and that is means based on Angular. And so we, me and my team, worked on that by using Angular 10, and Yes, that is a user means interactive and robust application, which is made user friendly for interface for that, and also speed that means we have used latest technologies like HTML5, CSS3, and also in CSS3 we use SAS. So we made a good interface, and also we made a robust application that takes a less space complexity. We have more focused on that. So, and also we have focused on time complexity also. So we uh, and also we worked on another project also, and
Mhm.
that is also the same way. We have API, we have got an API, and we used it.
Okay,
Yeah.
right. So how do you proceed when you need to solve a problem? And can you
Yes,
explain with an example?
yes, sir. Means I will explain with my programming example only. When I get an error in during program, or means any error, firstly I will think where I did miss anything, or means during a program, we our mind is in thinking state. So sometimes I will miss some steps, and I know where I missed that. So first of all I will correct it, and then I will check it on Google. But my approach is, yes, I know I will means solve that problem. And I got to know that anytime I means find an error, uh, I will get through that. I means I will find a solution for that. So this is, yeah.
Okay. So this is my last question, and I'll request you to please understand the question at first, think a bit, and then answer.
Yes, sir.
And this is a hypothetical situation that I'm going to present in front of you at the moment.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
You discover a cheaper, quicker, or less resource intensive solution to a problem. And you tried to explain it to your manager, but he did not seem to understand what you were saying. What will you do?
Sir, I will means one more time I will speak to with the manager, and also I will invite manager to a dinner or a coffee with me. So there
Mhm.
we'll get in touch with means we'll understand each other, and after that, second day, I will discuss one more time, sir. This is uh means this is my what you said, sir. Once more question.
Okay, so
Yes.
you actually discovered a cheaper, quicker,
Yes, yes,
and less resource intensive solution to a problem.
yes. So I will explain about that because we had a chat yesterday night. So yes, we got a closer means somewhat closer. So I can tell the manager. So this is it. This I discovered. So sir, this has the advantages over our previous system or service. So like that, I will explain to manager.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so I'm done with the HR round. We'll start with the technical round at the moment. If you want to have a glass of water in between, you can have.
No, sir. I'm okay. Thank you. Thank you for asking.
Okay, so